Another thing to discuss with the Content Center real quick. Let me go back into, you know what, I'll just use that same assembly. If I place a component from the Content Center, let's go with the hex bolt, and I'll just drop it out here in space. When I place it, I'm presented with this dialog box to make some choices. Let's say 3/8, 2 inches long, and UNC. Bottom left-hand corner, I have two options. I can choose as custom or as standard. What's the difference? As custom, when I click OK, Inventor is going to ask me, where do you want to save the IPT that gets created for that configuration of component? Say OK, brings it up. Where do you want to save it? There's your file name. You can change your file name, change your save location. That's what as custom does. It asks you, where do you want to put it and what do you want to call it? If I do this again, but this time I choose, I'll choose the same options just to be apples to apples. If I choose as standard, I don't get prompted. It simply places it, or I place it out in the modeling area somewhere. The reason I don't get prompted with as standard is because it goes back to your project file. So if I look at the project manager, look at my current active project, under folder options, there's a path for Content Center files. As standard puts Content Center components in that location. This is not the location of your source databases. That's not what that is. This is the location of the files you have placed from the Content Center. And that option is set in your application options on the Content Center tab. You can choose the default to be as custom or as standard. But again, you can change it during the placement. And then the path to the source databases is listed here.